Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial as I show you how I play the intro guitar solo to Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. We'll break the solo up into 4 easy riffs, and here's the first one. We'll start that riff at fret 3 on the G string, play it and slide into fret 4. Go to fret 3 on the B string, fret 5, back to fret 4 on the G string, fret 3 on the B string, so that's and then we'll start at fret 4 on the G string, play it, pull off of it to fret 2, and then pull off to the open string. So that's and then we'll play the open D string. So that's so once again, what we have so far is we'll finish with the open A string hammering on to fret 2 and then play the D string twice. So that's so here's the entire thing. Here's how we'll play riff 2. For riff 2, we'll be using what are called double stops. A double stop is a 2-note chord, and I'm going to play those chords like that, picking the strings with my thumb and index finger. I'll be picking the B string and the high E string, and the G string and the B string. We'll start by going to the B string and high E string at fret 3, striking it and sliding up to fret 5. So and going back. Alright, we'll go to 3, 5, and back. Next we'll go to the G string at fret 2 and the B string at fret 3, and we'll play this. So for that, we start it here at fret 2 and 3, we'll strike it and slide up, come back, then go to the open 2 strings and do that again, ending it with 2 picks on the G and B string. So here's the entire thing again. For riff 3, we'll play this. So for that one, we started at fret 3 on the G string, sliding to fret 4. Fret 3 on the B string, back to the G string, fret 4, and then fret 5 on the B string. So then we'll take the little finger, play and pull off of fret 6 on the B string to fret 5, like that. And then we'll wind up at fret 3 on the B string. So it's then fret 4 on the G string, back to fret 3 on the B string, and then fret 2 or an A note on the G string, fret 2. So now if you can't do that little pull off thing with the little finger, just take the ring finger and slide off of it like this. That's a lot easier. But try to work on that little finger pull off. We'll follow that with this. So for that, we went to the G string at fret 5, sliding up to fret 6. The B string, fret 3, fret 5, do that slide again on the G string, and then end up at fret 7 on the D string. So that's so the entire thing is and for our last riff, we'll play this. For that, we did the same thing that we did for the last riff. And then we'll take that note at fret 5 on the B string and bend it. Come back down, fret 3, back to fret 5, and then fret 2 on the G string, and then we'll go to fret 4 and bend it, bring it back down, and then end at fret 2. So that's so here's the entire thing. Now if you have trouble with the bends, you can always slide into those notes like this. Well, alright my friends, that's how I play the intro solo to Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.